So I started the channel Dhamma Trips, and I quickly want to tell you what this channel is not about. It's not about motivating you to be a good person. It's not about telling you what values you should follow. It's not about telling you how to live your life. Why would I want to do that? I'm just following a particular practice, a practice which has benefited me greatly. And this practice is essentially an investigation into what our mind is, into what the world is. It's a practice which will help you move out of your suffering, which will help you move out of negative states of mind such as stress, fear, anger, you name it. And it is something you actively had to do. So what we are doing here is now what I think is a Dhamma trip, where you are tripping basically on this concept and this theory and this philosophy that I'm telling you. But it is still a concept, theory, philosophy until you put it into a practice. Then it's a Dhamma practice. Right now it's a Dhamma trip. Of course, first the trip has to make sense to you in order to follow it. And there are different kind of trips. And there are three types of Dhamma. I think Dhamma is basically a kind of discipline. The first type of discipline is adharma, which is a bad kind of discipline. A discipline which teaches you to be selfish, which teaches you you can go and get whatever you want, and it doesn't matter whether other people get harmed in the process or not. So example for this is you believe a certain race should go away, and there you basically start a war, you wage war and you kill a particular race. Racism, terrorism, stealing from other people. These are all kind of bad disciplines. Disciplines where other people are harmed in the process. These are adharma. Then there are dharma. Dharma is basically what most religions, I think what almost all religions, spiritual practices, our parents, schools, teachers, they do. Basically telling us how to be good people, how to help other people out, how to be kind to other people, how to give. Then we have Sabdharma, and that is kind of the discipline which I'm engaging in, which is basically a deep looking into what our existence is. It's not being a good person. I mean, you automatically become a good person in the process, but the point is not to be a good person. The point is try to understand what our mind is, try to understand what the world is with this formula, with this Sadharma, which was provided by the Lord Buddha. So Dhamma Trips is basically where I kind of explain my practice, where I explain what I am going through and how I see the world and how it has benefited me. And the podcast series I am doing with guests is basically talking to other spiritual people with other spiritual practices who are practicing something different and trying to see what the common grounds are. The major reason I'm doing this is because then you can also listen to this and follow any practice which makes sense to you. If you are in like a bad place in your life, if you are in a place where you need to be lifted up, in a place where you need to understand, you can use this platform to see all these different kind of practices which are being followed and follow the one which makes the most sense to you, because that's all we can do. Discussion is the way forward. And I'm not a strong believer in like looking holy and being holy, certainly pretending to be holy. I don't think that's what spirituality is about. I think that's more to do with conventional kind of religion, where people look holy on the outside, they speak real slow and calm, but they go out and do all these kind of terrible kind of acts. Of course, this is not true to everyone. So my path, what I'm trying to show is not a path of suppression, but a path of understanding. And so that's basically what Dhamma Trips is about. Hope you enjoy this kind of content and hope you find it useful. If you have any kind of comments, feel free to message or leave a comment.